On the board, you have JAM 2001 question. So we should simplify these. 3 roots 64a raised to the power of 3, all in a bracket raised to the power of 1 minus 1. So when you come across this, you don't need to waste your time. Very simple. You trash it without wasting much time. Now let's solve this on the board. Solution without wasting much time. Now, before we can be able to simplify this, I want us to separate the variables and the coefficient there. If you watch, let's separate this. How do we separate it? Just look at the board. First, you have your 3 roots 64 times your 3 roots a raised to the power of 3. We separated them for easy simplification. With this now, we can be able to simplify, to break it down very easy without wasting much time. 3 root 64 times 3 root a raised to the power 3. Remember, when we multiply these two together, it will still give us the same thing as this. So to make the work very easy and fast, arriving at the answer without wasting much time, separate it. So after separating it now, we can easily now to simplify this. Now let's simplify it. Before we can, let's attend to these first. This is 3 root 64. What does 3 root 64 means? It means that you are to look for a number that will multiply itself 3 times to give 64. A number that will multiply itself 3 times to give 64. That's the meaning of this. 3 times to give 64. And what is that number? Very simple. The only number that can do that is 4. 4 will multiply itself 3 times to give 64. You have your 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. So this is the only number that can do that. 1, 2, 3. It is 3 places. So when it's being multiplied, it will give us 64. So since 4 is the only number that can do that, you have, right, your 4 here. So 3 root 64 is 4. Then you have your times. Coming to this. This is 3 root a raised to the power of 3. This 3 root, we cancel the raised to the power of 3. The 3 root, we cancel this. Is out of it. So what is remaining now? You have your a. So your 4 times a will give you 4a. We are done with this. The one inside the bracket. Because first of all, we treated the one in the bracket inside the bracket. And it gave us this. So after that, what is remaining? What we have next is this bracket and the raised to the power of minus 1. So we bring it down. Raised to the power of minus 1. This is not our final answer. So what should we do? This is what you do. Listen up. The raised to the power 1 here becomes a numerator. This minus you're seeing here becomes over. Then the 4a, you bring it down. So this is 1 over 4a as the answer to this. Thank you.